All right, we got to get ready. I mean, twirl, slurp, savor. It's National Pasta Day, a celebration for one of the most beloved and versatile dishes in the world.
That's right. Today we have a chef who just opened up a new restaurant. It's called Massara in the Flatiron District. Oh, wow. The eatery celebrates the deep exploration of regional Italian cooking, and that, of course, includes pasta. Chef Stefano Secchi joins us this morning. Go ahead, get after it.
So we do campagna at Massara. We also have Resdora, which is more centered on Emilia Romagna. So we pasta on both places without question, just different styles, south and north. But anyway, we're excited to be here. Okay.
I didn't understand a word of that, but I love it. I think there were regions in Italy.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly right.
Fantastic.
We were talking about whether or not gnocchi's pasta. Gnocchi's definitely a pasta.
Yes, gnocchi is definitely a pasta.
There you go.
For all you non-believers.
All right, National
congrats
Pasta
on the
Day.
new restaurant, though.
Yes.
Thank you. We keep the head down, keep pushing. In fact, I got to go right after this, but it's going to be
Yes,
great.
chef. That's
fantastic.
right.
Okay.
National Pasta Day.
So for National Pasta Day, we brought a couple pastas from Massara, but we're also doing cheesemakers raviolini, right? So this is based all around buffalo and buffalo milk and buffalo cheese, right? So we have buffalo mozzarella and buffalo ricotta inside the filling, inside this raviolini, and then the butter is actually buffalo butter. So when you're in Campania, you celebrate the water buffalo, right? So we wanted to do something that night. If you're a cheesemaker that in Campania making water buffalo or buffalo mozzarella, this is the kind of pasta you'd be eating, right? So
well.
It's been simmering. Now it's finished in it's bello manticato inside of the butter, which means it's nice and glazed.
A beautiful butter.
Yes.
Or beautifully oiled.
Bello manticato it means that it's nice and glazed. But yeah, I mean,
look at you.
The translation works.
No, but it's close to Spanish, so I was just trying to use the associate. Look at those plates.
I know.
That is enough.
You're an artiste.
So we love what we do, right? So we have two types of pomodoro that go with it. So these are two datterini
And for
pomodoro.
folks at home who don't know what pomodoro is, what is it?
Tomatoes. Yep. And so we have small pomodorini right here. The datterini are the small ones, right? And what we do is we just put the raviolini on the base of the red pomodoro. And these are both pomodoros that you'd find in Campania, specifically in the region we're looking at near Vesuvius, right?
Okay.
So the idea is that my dad always says that if you want to come, now you can come to Massara, you can save the plane ticket.
You can save the plane ticket.
You can save the plane ticket.
Okay. Can we get a quick taste? And while you're glazing this, do you, chef, have a favorite pasta?
So it's like you say, that's like picking a favorite child, right?
Yes,
I mean, I think
it has to
I mean,
be.
but we all have favorite kids. We just can't say
it.
Yeah,
you just can't say it.
So both of us say we don't discriminate.
We don't. Yeah.
All right, so I have to feed you ladies. So we have a little bit of basil oil to finish, and then you can do micro basil on top if you like.
Cute.
That's what those tweezers are for.
We were talking about the bear on the break, right? So just for a little bit of guarnizione, like we say.
Look how pretty. Can you see how pretty this is? Look at that.
Come on. This final product is what? What do you have for us, chef?
Cheesemakers raviolini.
Okay, and I'm going to try it.
Massara.
Thanks for coming in on National Pasta Day.
Pleasure. It's great to be here.
All right.
Enjoy. Buon appetito.
And there was a little green juice at the end.
Yeah, we do a little olio di basilico.
It sounds better when you say it.
And remind folks where they can find you, where Massara is.
We're on Broadway between 20th and 21st.
Oh my gosh, so delicious.
Can't bake this.
Oh my gosh, that's remarkable.
It's delicious.
Holy, no wonder you've got all those stars and Michelin's knocking at the door and I can't get in, so here we are.
Buon appetito.
Woo! Thank you
Chef.
so much.
Welcome. We'll see you there.
Congrats.